The CrestWave 300W sink pump is designed with a robust pure copper motor, offering remarkable efficiency with a swift flow rate that makes quick work of wastewater removal. This pump is perfect for those who enjoy do-it-yourself projects, as it comes with a comprehensive installation manual and accessories, allowing for easy setup in various areas of the home without the need for professional help. With its ultra-quiet operation, this pump is ideal for noise-sensitive environments, operating at a sound level lower than a whisper while featuring automatic start and stop functions for seamless use. Despite its powerful capabilities, the pump's compact size allows it to fit snugly in tight spaces, making it versatile enough to handle sinks, showers, bathtubs, and even boats or recreational vehicles. Safety is a top priority with this pump, as it is designed to handle greywater and can manage both vertical and horizontal lifts, all while tolerating high temperatures and being backed by certifications and a warranty for peace of mind. The CrestWave 300W sink pump stands out in its category for its durability, reliability, and adaptability, making it an essential component for any home or off-grid sewage system.